Now that we are talking about. So Baba you know fit join.
Incantation.
Incantation is what you cannot write the lyrics. You don't see that. See all those TV. You don't ever see the right lyrics,
It just be like when Mad Melon and Martin Black they say
Jaja. What if you create Jaja? You wish it.
That one
can you imagine?
Oh yeah, play again. Play that side.
Bang.
Martin Black tell you now say na music to you want to sing the line. Now you want to.
Lady just want sugar coater.
I agree. I put salt and baby pepper.
I don't know. Anyway, I know say Lady work yesterday. Becca work yesterday, so I don't suppose to ask her how weekend. Now me and Godwin, now we take our day off here yesterday. We enjoy ourselves. We are proud to say that.
Yesterday I just day in front of TV because DSTV for some reason just to show plenty solid movies, old ones, but back to back.
Oh,
and at the end of the day they can't show Notting Hill. They don't
Notting
want
Hill.
Notting Hill.
I think I don't watch that movie.
Julia Roberts.
Oh yeah, I don't watch
lovely,
her. I don't watch her.
Love movie. So I just smile throughout.
Just enjoy yourself throughout.
Because you know work, now you dey make
yes,
now.
One
enjoy myself.
One on the smell on Friday, we not there the work.
Oh,
which kind of bad. Okay, we'll focus on Nigeria matter. We'll get matter rising. I believe you don't hear. First of all, we'll first start the attack.
On the prison
break for prison break.
Yeah. And somehow you don't notice say prison break don't they frequent right now for Nigeria.
They see any of the guys who get tattoo for body.
We don't have Marcus Coffee.
I swear, at the top they get tattoo for body now.
No, Marcus Coffee.
You know Marcus Coffee. He draw
the full prison plan put for body. Yeah.
They arrest anybody who carry tattoo.
They never arrest anyone.
You know my concern because you said that I watch channels and they talk with the retired IG of police and he say the police then they on standby or be on ground now they look out for the inmates way wrong. And the question I can ask now say first of all which data then get about the inmates since everything they burnt when they won't get because if you say you is a standby you go need the picture that's not the truth.
But I'm not sure say everything I go really burn because for the to even tossing at 1,844, right?
They're not even sure.
They're not sure. As at yesterday, now 3,000 inmates. And then say,
but new development deal. I think 5, I mean 6 of them don't return back.
Some of the inmates.
Yeah, they don't return back. Those ones.
They don't see where they want to go.
Maybe they see where the uniform now make the see.
No, they say they don't return back.
It doesn't for prisoner to escape. The first thing go look for a change of cloth.
Yeah.
If pass somebody back here in dry cloth.
Now to pull and come out. Maybe this one's passed back here they don't dry cloth.
But not for Nigerian prison now they argue the number of people who escape. And my question is it is very simple.
Yeah.
If you know how many people inside the prison,
you go know.
Just count the one way dead here. Minus one with the one way no.
One way not
go know. But because they really know they because so many
because there is subtract and add
through school bus.
Yes.
We don't get official record.
Yes.
They know how many.
And many of them they await trials. And they even asked questions yesterday. I say, how will they sure say every inmate where they that prison they guilty?
No, some people must.
No, more not good. See our legal system now just on the own.
Then see them for road. You resemble armed robber.
So now the one where they exchange for police may go serve another person term. You get.
All the prison world, but I must say what most prisons get. You must get one innocent person, and then somebody put that.
He must do certainly.
Life on your head, and until they finish the case, you go find and say.
But now this
at that point, but this point, the person goes there they wait.
Yeah. This show on ground now say. IPOB now I don't know if you come across the tweet when Nnamdi Kanu tweet few hours after that prison breakup say nobody really deserves to day prison.
Now before
now after the prison.
After
I think few hours after the prison break. Now he
so nobody deserves to
day prison. So people your cockroach. Oh, now you they responsible. Now IPOB can release official statement say not be their way be that say they don't get one or two one even ESC and that Eastern Security Network not able get out for the matter. Meanwhile the IGP of police don't come as I say first sound investigation when they carry out preliminary investigation also say now IPOB now they did responsible. Now nobody
they don't I won't take more than a confirm or they don't then they show
they say based on their
investigation.
They will talk what if they shock me police they measure all the weapon when they carry come.
When those people carry
RPGs all of them I don't know them. They shall list all of them come aside.
All the evil for this country like headsmen like kidnappers, and they get more weapons past our police now. You know, so when the Niger Delta boys drop their weapon, when
we hear now.
Even our army say this thing will not get. Even army no get waiting Niger Delta boys drop. So they say they bring weapon past police, so no be new thing. We know, so they get weapon past police. All the bad people.
But people they consign on how. Just less than 24 hours.
Now fire,
you don't get your investigation not confirm saying that people when they would accuse say they do they watch their come and say not be me they responsible for this arrangement.
When they come public with the information
with
they get we tie those
who be because they say they never arrest anybody.
Exactly, because if they say na IPOB do am and IPOB say no be them do am, then they go show us the evidence wey make you feel say na them do am. That way they no go fit deny am.
I just dey about to talk wetin Godwin talk evidence proof where be the proof say na IPOB na im do am. Now the same thing I talked yesterday when yesterday I say okay then they allege say na IPOB but if you know if you just open your mouth accuse someone say na them do am.
I not forget
you
I think
get proof.
Few weeks back now we see video of two suspects when they confess say they walk them be IPOB is easy and then they attack police up. I don't know if you watch that video. When they that video fair raise so many concern with the fact say hope this people not they lie. You hope say not be systematic script that they try play.
Somebody put them up.
Put them up. Say okay, your thought so that more fit descend on this particular. Like Nigeria raised so many concerns
like,
at that time.
Like distracting people from the real people where they offload the crime.
Offload down.
They be say now we. So.
But also IPOB never also come as I deny those two people.
That's why at the end of the day everything boils down to evidence. Before you accuse somebody of anything, say you get evidence.
Then say
on IPOB now organize this thing. We don't see how you take no. We don't see emails where they send each other say so
sit down this
or we don't catch somebody where we saying to say okay see how much NPM we check in your account see how the money they come from somebody where we say link to IPOB.
No evidence. They say when Dubai UAE post prosecute those Boko Haram sponsors.
Now phone calls.
Or phone call. If you get evidence fine. If you don't get evidence just.
But what I don't learn recently now the fact say Nigeria police they very effective. Let's have big work. You know why they talk so? From those arrests of those two boys, the fact that they trace them, no saying that they actually carry out attack on all these police from different area. Cause arrest them, it shows the police know their work. Then secondly, for the fact say within 24 hours, police will carry out investigation to confirm say now they responsible for that prison break and
allege. They never confirm.
So if they show us the evidence we then get to make that conclusion.
That means there's a big work.
But you know say and then they think one police they come and say Nigerian police now won't catch those prisoners who escape. They're very simple.
How?
Just stand for road. Any guy will say they contract in body if clock plenty.
Why they look down? No. Why they look down our prison? No.
If
they look down our prison.
If you look their face, if they line 10 guys here for that Imo State, if you look there, if you tell whether 5 of them they come from prison or not, the place is hygienic.
No.
But even this thing when you talk so. But you know so not be something to be proud of. No, you cannot buy. I know what you're talking about.
Body in 24 hours or 48 hours. Prison break will happen. I mean, few days, 2 days ago, how many days?
Now yesterday morning.
They go first of all they don't get flesh.
Better
They go look their hair and everything. They don't go barb shave. You go see croc, you go see eczema, you go see things where their body go show. This guy, they live better. Because nobody where they Nigerian prison they live better life, except the VIP prisoner.
He gets someone that they pay to get better life inside prison. That be VIP.
So you get people outside where they send money where they settle all those people continuously. But an average prisoner don't get that kind of luxury and all those things. But if you say a cell where like 10 people supposed to stay, they put 50 people. You understand?
But it they very worrisome right now because no part of the country they safe again. Now where we would say it be used to they safe. Now all these different attack they happen. And I even want to ask you don't get any update on top the investigation when they go on top Governor Autumn of Benue State. No that say some police have been go there. So then why catch anybody till now?
No be Bola Ige wey die during Obasanjo time. They're going to investigate the guns and see something.
All right.
Sorry, Becca, but how they want to see something because
Shebina some groups claim responsibility. Why they don't find with arrest them?
R&B. You get where they go.
Okay.
I say how they want to find those investigations because first of all we don't get the tools, the proper tools to investigate crimes like this.
Who tell you?
How?
For that
we got to
know, not the Autumn I didn't even talk. Bola Ige. How many years ago? Till now they see they
Because they don't want to know now.
See, you know, you got things like in Nigeria now.
After that Otom attack, you know, see that cartoon where police face some civilians, they say, confess who do am. Meanwhile, some people the police back say, now we do am. Police don't even look them.
Yes.
They look because some people don't claim responsibility
for already.
Instead of to go against people who claim responsibility, they say they investigate. Investigate what people don't tell you that they didn't do the thing. You understand? That was the time you said they don't really want to look waiting. Okay, you see that video of that woman where they talk, say, after they don't kill the husband and his son and everything. They talk, say, not the headsmen, say nothing go do them because now there are people, they head all the security agencies. The woman talk and say, as they cry, they talk and say, after they don't kill her husband and her son, the headsmen tell her, nothing go happen to us. Now our people, they head the security agencies.
Wow.
Now that guy woman where your husband don't die, the kid don't die, where they mourn. That woman not getting this into Congo company line. Now waiting person waking your husband tell her.
True.
And she they repeat.
Yes.
So, the same way where some headsmen talk say we did our own, some people bring weapons, talk say them be government. And then give us the AK-47. We no fear afford that. Same way we defend our cow. Now whether the person a government person or somebody will go lie on government head, the point be say somebody can't give a weapon where he dey. Now the same thing this woman now they tell and say look, no what nothing go do us because and if you check and well, you'll find out say the 70-something people who died some years ago for Benue State, all the killings everywhere. Who they don't arrest?
Nobody. They don't hold accountable.
All right,
anyway.
To the next one. Baylor, if I say we don't hear update about those kidnapped students from that school for Isaac Kaduna. They say now 5 students they release out of 39. So now they talk say both Kaduna government, the parents of those children where they say they kidnapped, they don't they on war path. You know, based on the fact, say, El-Rufai talk, say, anybody we try to negotiation with bandits, they go prosecute.
See, they don't negotiate with bandits.
So what about
the reason why they never release the 39?
Yeah, the 30 remaining 39. They be
34 now.
So now 35 remain.
Those guys, them release and be the escape.
Nah, I don't have that question, Taya. They cannot be released, not be say rescue.
I say they escape.
The first headline I say they escape. Then they come meet with security agency for road. You get where carry there. Then I call you another and say they rescue them. So I call the question. Even question when I ask when I hear rescue, I say, why would I rescue 5 out of 39?
39.
What do you happen to the remaining 34?
I think they escape. And then this same El-Rufai, they say now how you lay your bed, you go lie on top. They mean El-Rufai in those days thought say in the pay headsmen, make them no keep people again. Now him pay they pay before.
You know.
But you know what pay again? A person they change now. You know what pay again?
I think that yesterday I see this headline. El-Rufai talks say the reason why then they attack them
because
them now because they
don't
get money to negotiate. They don't get money to give them. Now make they see they attack them.
Okay, so as you don't say that because they attack because they don't get money, what now they do? What if the whole police waiting for Kaduna State they do? Kaduna is a very big state. You get commissioner of police, you get security forces there. What did they do to bring? My own not be just to sit down. They don't say we're not going to negotiate. Now people children, what do they do? Say me that one human being then kidnap just one American, then send SEAL team 6 come here, come pick the person, come out, kill everybody. One innocent person no die. If you not fit, ask for help. Abi, ask for help. So not be when people bring satellites to cover the way show when army they come off from Ubara they go Lekki.
Not even go to that one. No.
You understand? Ask for help. Look for people. Foreign people say, look, see, we don't want to negotiate with them. Don't kidnap them. They go use satellite. They go look for somewhere. Look for them. And then, if you don't get the power to feed one, the military might ask for help. No crime to ask for help if you know if you do something. But it's just sit down and cross your leg. They feel say those people go release them like that. They're not going to release them because those people want something where you don't want to give them.
It is
this one where R&B don't deceive.
Leadership at all levels be this one. Now the level of failure who don't deceive for this country continuously like that. The leaders, these countries are very great countries. This country, but our leaders are the worst in the world.
Now them be the problem.
The worst leadership.
Well, if you remove this set of people from Nigeria,
not just the leader in Nigeria, and every Nigeria is the problem of Nigeria. Yeah. That's just the truth. Because all of us,
but
first of all, we not love ourselves. So because of that one they give chance to greed, wickedness, name all the ills of society. Now they give, and I make black man ready cheat fellow black man because that love for your fellow black man not day. You know so you ready scam man.
You know that love no day. In a natural team, make human beings wicked. But if you get leaders where they punish wickedness, it go reduce. One team is that we don't like ourselves. That one now one. The second one, you can't get leaders where they support what they go on. How? Nobody say they come out and talk say I support banditry or whatever. if the people they commit the evil, they need to do anything. You understand? They say evil go continue when good men refuse to do anything. Like I talk, if you give rats cake, you go ask him get a milk where you go take drink.
Yeah, go take wash and down.
Soft drink.
But the same thing.
Come
wash
invite
down.
friends.
Invite your friends come.
Anyway, sharp. Before we go international, sharp right now, you see those picture of those two boys when be carry poster of Buhari must go.
Yeah, where they
don't arrest them.
They pep beat
They
them.
don't. They pep beat them now. They don't arrest them.
Yeah.
You know, I thought we
inside
had the
Kogi
freedom
State.
Who
of
will the people who beat them?
now some
Some
people, but now police don't carry arrest them.
Arrest them. What will be their crime?
Because they carry posters.
They said the state commissioner of police Ayuba they don't confirm the arrest of two persons when they embark on smear campaign against the president.
Smear campaign.
Smear campaign. Like they want spoil name now.
No, democracy would do. Everybody gets freedom of expression. Everybody gets freedom of speech. And part of my freedom of speech, I say, look, if I, as I said, just because I'm a radio presenter, we get laws we guide us.
Yeah, so you know if you really talk.
I want to say Buhari must go. But as a private citizen, I feel go outside for rules. Carry placard and say Buhari go, I don't want you. Now my choice. It not be arrestable offense. But if I go put on there say
in reality for Nigeria.
No. Those guys they don't really know. Either they don't know their right, they don't get all the back. They might ask them if Femi Falana carry that sign stand for road, they go arrest.
They're not going to touch
They're not going to touch
Exactly.
them now.
You understand? If one or two Nigerian celebrities stand for road, Buhari must go. They will go to negotiate for background. Say I beg when I don't do like
you see full.
So that the guy, you know, say the state where the guy did, the governor, they support Buhari and everything. Like intimidation. The ones waiting for
and at their party they even rule that.
the one waiting for London where they say go back to Nigeria.
Yeah.
Why they
Well, you know, say the one where they support me Buhari, still they not disturb.
They pay them £75 each.
You don't
say you say
how you take that one?
They pay them £75. If they there now somebody where they off one influential person waiting for London. Oh. They call them before that time. You don't listen to they making organized people, whether na Nigerians, even foreigners.
No, hold on, £75.
£75
each.
Now he make them carry
They
go.
will say they go give them 75. Say they feel going R&B how far we know say you get link for London here. So organized guys, man.
Mona go support pro Buhari
pro Buhari whatever. Say but na £75 per person. No. You understand? The guy can say that.
And now people papa grab papa they
now he
do.
can't say they do. He no go do that. He say because he no want support. Now another influencer somebody that can go between go arrange all those people. We call they do. So that's.
But I tell you now.
So what is the equivalent?
No, I'm not saying they certainly pay, but 75.
More times.
75. You know reach 20k now. No, it passed 20k. I think past now 500 and something now.
£75 now.
Now around 40k.
Now plenty money for an average Nigerian when they use in head now.
True.
You
Don't
don't
be some
know.
people that they pay
Me
500
they would they talk.
naira.
Not be one here they forgive person 1,000 may go kill your brother.
Not be 500
If
naira.
you tax about 500 and 37,500, if
Can
you
you
want to
imagine
give
like
people 1k to carry cutlass,
Claro, now they talk so
Yeah.
safe.
They come me almost 40,000 naira. Now big money now.
Yeah.
Almost 40.
Hey.
They pay them now.
Hey.
I just say people when they come up for the shores of Africa,
They
get for the
get-
shores
no,
of
they
Nigeria,
don't
get
get
sense.
sense.
No, say when
No.
you say your vote, you
That is
do
why-
this kind of thing. No be just you alone, no. Your family join, your unborn children join for inside the matter. Then your relatives, everybody. Now you say you don't sell everybody for 37,500.
See, that is why the moment they just go there, about 4 of them when they don't did there, now
Yeah.
Gabashe will come tweet. You know, a
Script.
cross session of
Script.
Nigerians.
Cross section.
A cross session of Nigerians
I
in
see.
London
I see.
supporting wanting. So now scripts where they act. And
Of course.
everything.
I bet won't come up
All
for the
right,
guy go.
before we come out from inside the studio, I don't know if I don't see say the president of Russia,
Vladimir Putin.
say he don't sign legislation where go formally grant him the right to stay in power until 2036.
I know say this guy will do something like this right from the beginning.
Putin a
Hey.
tyrant.
Now when I meet tyrant, thank God say we not the Russia, so I feel talk as I like right now. I not be Nigerian politician. When I meet this guy na tyrant, you go see him for your face like
2036.
Now 20 years.
In 20 years.
Yeah.
I'm not tell you. With the power we really get for Russia, nobody will make noise. You're silent.
It depends on. He don't sign now. Being the proposal.
They say he don't sign now. They don't sign the legislation. We go formally grant them rights.
They sign. That means it didn't go through their house.
You don't go to now.
Exactly.
Now you get most of
And
the house
then
now.
green.
You know, one of the richest man in Russia, 9B.
Now you
They don't
yeah.
sort everybody out. They
You
don't buy
get
all
bread
of
though,
them.
not good deal.
If I happen for Nigeria, I just say Atiku no agree.
I ain't cause trouble till now. Them the reason now.
Atiku say no. I get plan to.
No, I get plan to come to you. Want spoil my own?
So which one we go talk say? Which leader we go talk say they was? The African leaders or
No, we go still understand.
No.
See, no, Africa get their own for
African
body.
leaders na worse pass.
Even just
was
like
na
the
see people
person-
like
After you African leaders
people
worse.
like
Why?
the late
Why?
Mugabe.
Eh.
Mugabe wey dey office for her.
Even leave Mugabe, you see Cameroon President Paul Biya. He don dey there since 1986.
86, abi 85, abi?
87. Now when he dey there, George Weah dey play football for Liberia.
George Weah don retire.
Then George Weah can't get professional contract with PSG for France in 88, 89. But Biya na be president. George Weah can't move go Milan in the 90s. But Biya na president. George Weah win Ballon d'Or, best player in the world. George Weah can't play Nations Cup. Can't retire. Can't run for president. Can't lose. Biya still dey there. Then they call Yabam, Ellen Salif, to let the way win Liberia president. Call Yab George Weah saying because he no go school, now make her no win. George Weah can't go school. Can't graduate after 5 years. Can't run for Senate, can't win. Then can't run for president again, can't win finally. Now, George Weah be president now, don't reach president. Paul Biya still dey there. Guess what thing they happen? George Weah don dey adjust legislation to make am run past 2 tenure.
Him too,
He
right?
don dey left for Paul Biya.
It's an Africa problem. We are power sick. An Africa problem.
Why did they do this
But
power
also-
like say na inheritance?
It is sweet.
Also, but you know, you go need to also put a question. Even you want rule for the rest days of your life. What you dey actually do? It dey alright for the.
He dey make the people life
It dey make the
better.
people better. No, I wish it even made people better. I think the reason why for a while they not really complain, Libyans not really complain about
Because
Gaddafi.
their life good.
Their life good. Life even until they start to dey complain, their life was alright. I just say some of the decision wey they make of all those human abuse
Human rights
and the human rights abuse, so people not really, and international community will not dey alright with that. And it also allow the international community do wetin they want do for the country. You get, but see
I even
abeg.
hear say this country for Africa, Central African Republic, I say you know say they just do their election, yeah, and that one the president he won't pass the power to his son. So
No, na family,
yeah, so he want make it be
They
family.
want turn am to monarchy.
Exactly.
If you let me
Wow.
do now, anytime I want to retire for Nigeria, if I will bring my son, make come take over.
You know?
Don't let me go.
At least if you
Yeah.
if-
Now wetin
maybe
black
if you
man
ask
be?
Atiku now, say Baba, that's you do that thing. Go say Abakuku be vice forever.
Because now they have to
If
even
you
come.
They have to be called number
if
one.
you for be vice for the third term, enter inside fourth
But now
term.
they
dey-
go adjust life this thing. You know?
But you hear what
So they
Abubakar
adjust
Malami
more.
talk now? Say Abubakar cannot come out.
Anybody wey come out, I know they call person name, but anybody wey come out now talk say Atiku no deserve to run for president because he no be Nigerian. That person they need to go check his education because Atiku don be vice president for 2 10 or 8 years for Nigeria.
For
Atiku
Nigeria.
don run customs for Nigeria before. He don serve as custom officer. I no understand. Now non-Nigerians they serve all those kind of things. So where are the people wey suppose dey check all in credentials dey?
Where they did that
when
time?
they serve for customs,
Why be say
they
that now?
become governor. The first vote I mean as governor before President Obasanjo Kaname come do vice. So from custom controller to governor to vice president, una no know say no be Nigerian.
No be the education, na the brain.
Hope
Need
your
to check.
phone never dey ring. Mo
Na
call
their
dey go.
brain.
Maybe they go,
They
maybe
no
they
get my
go.
number.
They no get.
I beg the people.
Where we dey go?
Wait to Lady J, I just want to correct somebody here. No be R&B and Lady J they do show, please. My voice, I don't know if Lady J and my voice, Lady J voice and my voice sound alike. I'm always seeing R&B and Lady J. Hello, good morning R&B and Lady J. Na R&B and Becca, please. Lady J her first voice, please. That's what I need.
Yes.
Please.
No
They never
tell
change
everybody.
am for now.
Una hear o.
You now don't hear. My name now Word Bob Sharabi. Moon agenda us tomorrow from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. on top Wednesday edition of Money Runs. One love to everyone of now. Mona, stay safe. Not let hate block your heart from loving. Yeah, continue loving.
All right, so my own name still remains Becca Bliss, and we go catch you later tomorrow. So we go out with something from Crayon featuring Bella Smoother. Jackpot.
Niger FM 102.7.